If A, B, C are angles of triangle ABC and none of them is 90 degrees, then find the value of tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Okay, ABC are angles of triangle ABC. So sum of the angles near triangle is 180 degrees. So angle A plus, that means in triangle ABC, any triangle in triangle ABC, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C equals to 180 degrees. Angle A plus angle B equals to C transpose to right side 180 minus angle C. Here the question is in tans, so apply tan on both sides. Tan on both sides. So tan A plus B equals to tan A plus B equals to tan 180 minus C. What is the formula of tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B equals to tan 180 minus C. Tan C. 180 minus in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is negative. Only sine and cosecant are positive, remaining all trigonometric ratios are negative. So tan A plus tan B equals to this term transpose to right side minus tan C. Okay, multiply with division transpose to right side, multiply 1 minus tan A tan B. That equals to tan A plus tan B, okay, equals to minus tan C into 1 minus tan C. Minus of minus plus tan C into tan A tan B. Tan A tan B tan C. So tan A plus tan B minus tan C transpose to left side plus tan C equals to tan A plus tan B plus tan C. Okay, sorry, tan A tan B tan C minus tan C transpose to left side plus tan C. Here still tan A tan B tan C. Therefore tan A plus tan B plus tan C. See, tan A plus tan B plus tan C equals to tan A times of tan B times of tan C.